Hey everybody, Happy New Year. Yeah, I'm still around, and I know it's February 1st, and finally hitting the trail. It's been a while. Let's show you what's up. Yeah, so this is what we're on the next couple days. Started in on some pretty low land, a little bit of elevation, getting some pine scrub. Now we're into this, sort of thing. Tall stuff. But look out for these boardwalks. They can be quite slippery, just like I did there. So happy to be out here in the Juniper Creek Trail with my buddy Jason. Jason's been to this place, geez, at least a dozen times, eh?
About that.
Yeah.
A little under.
And heck, you could probably backpack this place backwards. I might force him on that on the way out. We'll see. But
this is my first overnight ever. I think 3 years ago.
On this trail.
On this trail.
On this trail.
Yeah. Went all the way to Kennedy Bridge.
Oh, right on. Yeah. So we're gonna go about 6 miles a day, find a place to camp, and hopefully we'll have some light, get to screw around and whatnot. Got a good dinner planned. We'll plenty of time tomorrow. It's gonna be a nice, beautiful day, and we'll mess around and have some fun. Old boy's been in a bad mood this morning until he hit the trail, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nothing worked. Nothing wanted to go right. I couldn't get buttons buttoned. Kept dropping stuff. Just nervous, antsy. I don't know.
Looks like we might get some sunshine after all today. It's been pretty overcast. It's like in the upper 50s. All the dampness makes it feel a little chilly. I don't think I'm going to be overheating today. We were planning this trip about a week ago, right? And it didn't happen for whatever reason. Yeah, it was my fault. But anyway, oh, we got sun. What's that in the sky? Say it again. Say it louder.
The hill sequence.
The hill sequence?
On the last video last year I did when I came out here by myself.
I don't remember.
When I was all fat. I was like, oh, there it is. I remember this. I remember it well.
Was it that long ago?
It's a hill. And I actually went up with the camera and went back down.
That's a good YouTuber.
Alright, so what I've gone over in my mind as far as the meat Alright, on the deep end, skewer it, of course. Make the hole, leave a sharp skewer through it.
Yeah, okay.
Get some fire and smoky flavor on it.
Alright, I'm coming down the trail here.
Some hanging opportunities over there.
Somebody's camped here before. Obviously left some firewood there.
This is recent because I don't remember this last week or 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, Jason was here 2 weeks ago, doesn't remember this, but yeah, good spots to pitch.
They left some trash. That's awesome.
Yeah, somebody's not practicing leave no trace, that's for sure.
I was talking about that one.
Oh yeah.
That's underweight.
So right here, now, if I'm not mistaken, Jay, this might be Alligator Creek.
I suspect it is.
Yeah, I'll get up on there and look at that. Juniper Creek, I approve. That's an enemy of muscaria. That's a magic mushroom. A mature one. Starting to get into some palmettos here. And Juniper Creek is right to the left of us. We'll be up on that in no time. Very nice hike. Very, very nice. Stopped by the creek not too long ago to get some snaky snacks, and so now we're in a completely different area than what you've seen. We're running alongside the creek where there's a lot of ruts, a lot of little ups and downs, a lot of roots and stuff like that, a lot of marsh bog. Pretty cool stuff. Getting a pretty persistent overcast here. Wondering how long this camera is going to be continuing to run in a daylight mode. Lots of moss. If I am not mistaken, this is the start of what Jason likes to call a little bit of the AT and the FT, meaning a little bit of the Appalachian Trail on the Florida Trail, meaning it's uppy downy stuff. Anyway, thought I'd show you this beginning part there. Alright, kind of wanted to show you this latest bit of kit I got here. This is inspired by a Japanese camping and gardening tool This one's made by Bare Bones. Now if that don't scream Japanese blade, I don't know what it does. What we got here is a 12-inch blade, about 20 inches long from tip to the back of the handle. There's full tang. Now a traditional Nata Axe would actually only be sharpened on one side, and that's one of the weird things about them. That is, I guess, to eliminate unnecessary scarring when they trim trees and whatnot. But I'm liking this. I mean, I really like the machete that I do use right now, which is a cold steel Copus machete. Very, very capable tool, but you know, batoning and stuff like that is nearly useless with it. But with this nice, thick, full tang, this will baton for days, and I have a chopping job for it. I mean, if you look at that, that don't say chopper. I don't know what that say. I'm going to get on that right now, see how it performs. What I'm going to do, I'm going to set up my hammock in this area right here, between this tree and this tree right here. But I have to clear out a significant amount of stuff in order for me to hang my hammock. So this is where I use my my new Nata Axe. Little stuff, no problem, of course. Bigger here.
Whacking a bit of the bush away, yeah?
Huh?
Whacking a bit of the bush away? Stupid easy.
That's the major one.
Really great a couple weeks ago.
Well, that job wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. It's pretty dense and live wood there, about an inch and a half around. Got some other stuff over here I'm going to clear out. This is halfway started for me here. Alright, that'll work. So we got camp made, built up the fire here, just in time for the sun to go down on us. It's a beautiful clear night, man. Tomorrow is going to be primo. Going to be a cool day. So yeah, we're going to be chilling, making some dinner. Maybe I'll show some of that, maybe I won't. I don't know. We're getting settled in here. And oh yeah, by the way, that Nata Axe really did a bang up job. I had a big piece of wet cedar. I believe it was live. It was dense. But yeah, I had 2-foot pieces of about 4 inches around wet baton through that like nobody's business. Alright, so we got our fire going. We're down to coals. We had steaks going on this thing with some skewers going across it. I should have filmed that. Chicken was on this. Now we got chicken wrapped in foil here on top of coals. We're doing the same thing for these ribeyes. And
Sirloin.
oh, the sirloin.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Anyway, dinner going. It'll make you all jealous and stuff.
Yeah.
Jay's getting some noir. Getting some noir on the go. What are we doing here?
This is Noor brand chicken fried rice.
Chicken fried iron.
Yeah. I think I lost a little bit of water. Let it boil again.
Alright, this is what it's looking like, kiddos. Achieved a perfect well done on the steak there. Now we got chicken, chicken fried rice. Well, it's been a long time since I've eaten this good at camp. Thanks to the chef over here. Jason's a good cook. Yeah. All right. So I'm in my hammock for the night, and should be a pretty good night. I've made a little change to my sleep system, mostly for weight purposes. I'm going to get down probably to the mid-30s tonight, and we'll see how I do. Hopefully I'll do okay, and at any rate, I'll show you what I did or tried to do in the morning. So, 8 up.